Here we go again. One good thing about the Love Always Foundation, one thing that we're going to do and always do
is plant trees all across the land, and the reason why we want you to support the Love Always Foundation with donations and like and subscribe.
Can you turn the water on real quick? Let's roll. So, welcome to the Garden of Treatz, the Love Always Foundation. And one good thing about what we do is we make sure that we plant food all across the land. And so we're moving, and one of the good things that we're going to do here is we're going to leave this lemon tree here in our previous location. And so, yeah, you want to touch it? So whoever moving next, they have a bundle of lemons. Got water in here. Get some of this water up out of here.
I don't think you're
All right. Actually, I know what we could do. Put the soil up in there. Ah! Back, back, back.
Ooh, it's gonna get muddy. He already dirty. That's kind of wet.
Real wet. We don't want her to get root rot, so this seal is definitely needed. There we go.
Look at him.
That boy destructive.
Oh my.
There we go. What you think, babe? Alright. Let's put it right there. We're gonna leave a piece of this with her. It's gonna get nice and hot in Texas, so she'll heat it.
Yeah, this water will be gone in approximately 10 minutes.
Let me grab some dirt.
So it's a little baby lemon tree. In the description will be the why you should plant your lemon tree outside video. Be sure to check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Say like the video. Like the video.
So this is a little compost.
Yeah, Daddy's putting compost on the lemon tree.
Then we're gonna plant this right here. It's that tap root that goes in about 10 feet into the soil.
10 inches.
No, he said 10 feet.
10 feet? That's all the way down the ground.
No.
It's 10 inches.
All right. There it is.
And there's Woo.
And that's the good thing about rejuvenating the land is that if we plant fruit trees and food everywhere that we go, the world would be abundant in food, and food shortages wouldn't even be a thing because you can just pluck food from wherever you're at. Bam!
Shout out to our wonderful neighbor who took care of our tree while we moved on. She sent us these beautiful pictures.